built out of treated sleepers, homegrown bamboo, bound together with sort of decorative cotton binding. The idea is for this plant to be able to grow up in this bamboo trellis. Private courtyard using bamboo. Material selection's key. This particular piece is going to need notching out and then finishing it off with a chisel. After using miter cuts for our corners. So this completes the frame for that little garden bed. Cutting our next pillar. Plane to get a bevel on the edge of these timbers. So we're just taking a little moment here to figure out, anyway, sometimes you've got to design as you go. The screws and bolts line up. Straightest ones for the verticals. They fit a 25mm drill bit. Of a specific custom width holes that the bamboo is going to go into. Assembling the bamboo in our timber frame was a little tricky. We selected key points to tie with wire. Garden redesign.
Lay your head upon my shoulder. Shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.